Welcome, English learners. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel nervous when someone says, "Can you introduce yourself in English?"
Yes, teacher. I feel nervous every time.
Don't worry. Today we will fix that together.
Really? I hope so, teacher.
Absolutely. By the end of this lesson, you will introduce yourself clearly, confidently, and naturally. Let's start with the first step. Greetings. You can say hello or hi.
Hello.
Perfect. Always start with a smile. It makes your introduction friendly.
Okay, I will smile.
Next, say your name.
My name is Alex.
Excellent. Now, tell the person where you are from.
I'm from Mexico.
Very good. Step 3, talk about what you do. It can be your job, school, or studies.
I'm a student.
Wonderful. Step 4, share a hobby or something you like.
I like playing football.
Great. Finally, step 5, ask a friendly question to keep the conversation going.
Nice to meet you. What about you?
Perfect. That's a complete introduction. Let's practice another example together. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Canada. I work as a teacher and I love painting. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm John. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. And I like cooking. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. You see, short sentences make it easy and natural.
Yes, teacher. Short sentences feel easier.
Here's a little trick. Add one interesting fact about yourself.
Like what, teacher?
For example, I'm learning English because I want to travel to Japan.
Oh, I can say, I'm learning English because I want to visit London.
Perfect. That makes people curious and gives them something to ask you about. Now, let's do a practice round together. I will ask questions and you answer. Say hello and your name.
Hello. My name is Maria.
Great. Now, tell me where you're from.
I'm from Spain.
Excellent. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Wonderful. And what's your favorite hobby?
I like reading books.
Fantastic. Finally, ask me a question.
Nice to meet you. What do you like to do?
Perfect. You did amazing. Let's add some bonus tips to sound even more confident. Tip 1. Use short, simple sentences.
Okay, short sentences. Got it.
Tip 2. Smile and make eye contact.
I will remember that.
Tip 3. Listen to native speakers. Movies, podcasts, and YouTube are great for learning natural phrases.
I will practice that too, teacher.
Tip 4. Record yourself. Listening helps you improve your pronunciation.
I never tried that, but I will today.
Now, here's a full example for you to repeat with me. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Germany. I work as a nurse and I love painting. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Italy. I'm a student, and I like football. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. That's how simple and natural an introduction can be. Remember, the key is practice. The more you do it, the more confident you will become.
Yes, teacher. I will practice every day.
And don't worry about mistakes. English speakers will understand you even if it's not perfect.
That makes me feel much better.
If you like this lesson, hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner English lessons.
I will, teacher.
Comment below and try introducing yourself in English. I will check and give you feedback.
Okay, teacher. I'm excited to try.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Thank you, teacher. I feel ready to introduce myself now.